Welcome and welcome back to Living Hope Mixed Farm. Here we have rainbow chicken, rainbow roosters chicken. They are already 7 weeks, and these ones we are selling them at 20,000 shillings. From 7 weeks to 2 months, we sell them at 20,000 shillings, and then the ones of 1 month, we sell them at 15,000 shillings, Uganda shillings. So if you are interested, please reach out to us. We can brood for you this chicken until they no longer need the brooder, when they do not need a source of heat to maintain their body temperature. Then we shall give them to you. That one is at 1 month old, which is going to be at Uganda shillings, 15,000 shillings only. Watch our videos on our YouTube channel, which is called Living Hope Mixed Farm. Please bear with us and support us by subscribing to our channel so that you are able to get every update that we post. We have tutorials which are very good for you in all farming, that is both animal and crop farming. They are very good tutorials that you will be able to get good information from and be able to grow your farming. Also share the videos with your fellow farmers and subscribe to our channel, and then turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos that we post on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Always, we love you. Remain with us. Be blessed. Remember to reach out. We give you chicks at 1 month old, this very rainbow rooster chicken, and also we give you at 2 months old. At 1 month old, we shall give you at the rate of 15,000 Uganda shillings, and then at 2 months old, we shall be giving you at the rate of 20,000 Uganda shillings. Therefore, reach out to us and be able to get this wonderful chicken. They are ready for consumption by the age of 3 months. And then if you want them to give you eggs, they will start laying eggs at the age of between 4 to 5 months. They lay over 200 eggs per year. Therefore, each chicken will be able to give you over 200 eggs per year, and they also attain the weight of between 3.5 to over 5 kilograms of body weight. Therefore, they are both meat and egg chicken. They are dual purpose chicken. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and watch our video on Living Hope Mixed Farm, Uganda. Thank you.